Hello and welcome to another video. You came back for more. In this video I'll be working on this antique Singer sewing machine table. This is a wonderful piece of history. As you can see, due to the age of the piece, it's in need of some TLC. As you can see, the woodwork is in a pretty poor condition. It requires a full strip back and a refinish. I used the serial number on the sewing machine to do a little bit of research, and I found out this sewing machine was made in 1918 in Kilbowie, Scotland. So I start by fully dismantling the piece. It took me about 3 hours to take the thing apart, and there was so many screws. When I removed the tabletop, I found 105 years worth of muck and dirt. So of course I had to touch it. Who wouldn't? For years I've been hearing about this Coca-Cola hack, and apparently it gets rid of rust. So I thought I'd experiment, give it a try, and see if the rumour was true. Thus commences the sanding. I still like to do a lot of sanding by hand. It just demonstrates that you can do these kinds of jobs with minimal tools. Don't get me wrong, I love a power tool, but there's nothing wrong with going back to basics every so often. So this is the casing that the sewing machine drops down into, It was absolutely scruffy. After sanding, I always clean everything off with white spirits. The perfect time to take a break with Charlie and Sully the Beach Boys. That's enough now, boys, let's get back to work. I gave all of the woodwork 3 coats of golden teak varnish. I used teak oil on the casing. I was really happy with this result. I don't tend to work with metal very much, but I must admit I really enjoyed removing all of the rust from the cast iron legs. The plan was to make all of the letterings stand out in gold. So here I'm just taping up everything around the lettering to prevent any overspray. Back to the Coca-Cola. It's only gonna work like a charm. After 24 hours, all of the rust was removed from the hardware. This was really impressive. However, it may just have put me off Coca-Cola for life. Unfortunately, the hinges weren't made from solid brass, and the coating that was previously on there had flaked off. This meant I needed to spray paint the hardware. I also applied a clear coat of lacquer over the top for protection. After sanding and using a wire brush to remove all of the rust from the legs, I gave it a coat of black spray paint. I then used a pot of gold leaf paint and a detail brush to make the lettering stand out. I applied 2 coats of clear lacquer to seal and protect. This is the really large spring that holds the sewing machine into place. I then hand sanded the drawers and the drawer casing, and then I applied teak oil. Now to start reassembling. The fun part is remembering where everything goes. To use Restorer Finish on the underside of the tabletops. I gave the sewing machine a clean and a polish. I didn't want to take anything away from the character and age of the piece. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. That would be much appreciated. Also, please check out my other videos if you enjoy furniture restoration and woodwork. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoy the final results.